I'm always on the hunt for the best fitting tees. Over the years, I've tried so many different brands, but most tees are either too small or too big. My perfect t-shirt is something that accentuates my arms, chest, and shoulders, no bacon collar, and doesn't expose my belly when I raise my arms. This is where True Classic comes in. True Classic prides themselves on t-shirts that highlights your muscles and also offers prices that won't break your bank. I picked up a couple of t-shirts and polos from them. I'll be going over in detail the material, the fit, the comfort, basically everything that you need to know about True Classic. So hopefully this video helps out anyone who's thinking about buying from them. So keep watching. Let's start off with the material. Each of the t-shirts and polos are made from a polycotton blend of 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Polycotton blends tend to be softer, more water resistant, and breathable compared to shirts that are made from 100% cotton. Also, this material makes the shirt stretchy so it conforms to your body shape more easily. Let's talk about the features. True Classic designs are very minimalistic. First impression, I'm surprised at how awesome the fabric feels. The material has a velvet-like feel that you won't find from other brands. The t-shirt is also very lightweight, weighing in at only 141 grams, and the thickness measures to 0.21 millimeters. At the hem, you see a double stitch construction that helps with durability and ultimately prevents the edges from fraying. Moving up to the sleeves, you see the double stitch construction just like the waistline, which is a good sign in terms of durability. The stretchy rib neckline allows the shirt to not only hold its shape nicely, but also doesn't make you feel restricted. Now let's move on to the True Classic polos. These are very similar to their tees. It is also made from a polycotton blend of 60% cotton and 40% polyester. You get the same stretchy and velvet-like fabric that feels so soft to the touch. The polo is also extremely lightweight, weighing in at only 144 grams, and the thickness measures to 0.26 millimeters. This features a 3-button placket and a well-constructed collar. The helm is a drop-tail design where the back length is longer than the front. One of my favorite features is that there is no logo on the chest. Almost every polo brand has their logo branded on the shirt, but True Classic keeps their shirts simple and minimalistic. Just like their tees, the double stitch construction on the helm and the sleeves is a good sign in terms of durability and helps keep the polo looking well structured. True Classic tees are their best sellers, but I wanted to try something different from their collection, so I picked up a pair of their Chino shorts. This is the 7.5-inch Chino shorts in a size 30, and the colorway is navy. The material is made from 69% rayon, 26% nylon, and 5% spandex. Just like their tees, the material is very soft and smooth. It features a breathable 4-way stretch fabric for maximum movement and comfort. For the features, this is a traditional Chino design. The plastic button closure has a marble look that makes these shorts look more expensive. The zippers are made from high quality and durable YKK zippers. Overall, the comfort, quality, and construction on these chinos is on par with their t-shirts. Now let's talk about the fit. For reference, I'm 5'10", 160 pounds with a 37.5-inch chest, and I went with the size medium. The website mentions that 5% shrinkage is normal after the first wash. My shirt did shrink about 1 inch after the first wash, but still fits my body almost perfectly. The 18-inch shoulder and 20-inch chest opening fits very comfortably on my body. The 28-inch body length sits about mid-crotch and butt. The 8-inch sleeve length and 6.5-inch sleeve opening sits around mid-bicep and hugs my arms. True Classics are meant to accentuate and highlight all the best parts of your body. With this fit, you can see that it hugs my body at all the right places without looking overly tight. For the polo, I noticed that it fits slimmer than your tees. The 19-inch chest and 17-inch shoulder opening is an inch more narrow. The 7-inch sleeve length and 6-inch sleeve opening is about ½ inch more snug. Because of this sizing difference, I would recommend going up a size if you're getting their polos. The comfort and feel of these polos are exactly the same from what you'll find from their tees. You get the same velvety fabric that makes you never want to take these off. With all the hype surrounding True Classic tees, I think their chinos deserve more recognition. Right off the bat, I'm so impressed with how the 7.5-inch chino shorts fit. The 7.5-inch length is the perfect length that hits a little past mid-thigh. Not only is the fit great, but also the comfort is amazing. You get the same comfort from athletic shorts, but with all the looks of a timeless chino short. With a comfortable, stretchy, and durable fabric, True Classics are perfect for every occasion. From going on long hikes, casual night outs, or just relaxing at home. When I throw on something from True Classic, it makes my day better because I know I'm going to look and feel my best. So after all that, is True Classic worth it? True Classic is a game changer when it comes to your essentials. Never have I seen a brand that creates clothing that's affordable, comfortable, and most importantly, highlights your body in all the right places. If you check out the website, they have so many different colors to choose from. They not only offer t-shirts, but they also have your essentials like sweatshirts, joggers, jackets, and more. So go on the website and I'm confident you'll find something that you'll like. Also, don't forget to use my discount code MENSFASHION to save up to 25% off your next order. So check out True Classic and I promise you that you won't be disappointed. So that's it for this week's video. If this video helped you guys out, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.